Let's do a quickie here on gold and silver also. We're going to look right now at only the short term in gold and silver. So I'm going to switch over here to /GC. I often show the weekly in here, so I decided to show the daily patterns. Now, we have a condition in here that isn't really great. We saw this turning down and breaking down, and this yellow zones are where you get the big corrections, where you get the nesting in here. The dashed line, if you're new here, is silver. So we overlaid the silver pattern, and you can see it's actually stretching down past the low that we expected and seems to be trading with silver right over here. The minor third cycles in here were very clear right at this point, but the higher interest rates and the silver weakness, which became pretty extreme, is dragging gold down. Now this gold should bottom here with silver and get an uptick. So we're looking for about a potential for 1750 in the next, we'll call it 1 to 2 weeks, in a rebound in the gold market. Silver market, let's switch over to /SI, has our complex cycle structures in there, and what this helps us see is when it's moving up to the top of the structure, it's bullish, and when it's moving to the bottom, it's more negative. And right now we have put in, see the low due right over here, you see the arrow where the low came, and that was a little early right over here, the low here a day or two early, and then it spiked to the upside. Well, it's due right over there also. So we're looking for silver to make the bottom in here also. Look at these cycles right in here. I'm just going to look at more of them so you could see. See where it made the bottom there, that green arrow, the green arrow there, upward move, upward move, upward move. And here's where it's due right over here. So we actually think that silver has a pretty good potential to get up to 27 to 27.60 in the next couple of weeks. The anchor point still may be lower. We're not 100% sure about that, but the structure and timing really says that silver should be moving to the upside starting in the next week. So I wanted to share that with you. And gold and silver, a rebound is likely coming. And that's why I said at the beginning of the show, I've already placed my bet, and I would bet that silver's going to have an up week in the coming week, and you can see that right there. To learn more about cycle analysis, please do go to our cycle analysis informational page for the cycle analysis workshop up on the top nav, and you'll be able to see a video and learn more about that. So that is the quickie in gold and silver. I tried to keep that about a minute, but I had two different symbols in there. So hope that was great information in there. I said that we'd be looking at proprietary indicators, so I want to go back to it so that you can understand what that means. So here we are looking at momentum conditions in the silver market, and when the momentum conditions were positive, when the slim ribbon was positive, it was able to trade on the upside. This is our proprietary slim ribbon PO that you could see right over there, and that gives you the condition. Now it's turned neutral and then negative right over here. This is going to have to turn positive again before you can get any real upside. So I wanted to give you another peek there. Slim ribbon PO and the slim ribbon are the best momentum indicators you will ever work with. This is our level 2 trial membership. We are starting this right now for new subscribers. This will not last long, and this is the last time we will have this pricing right now. What this includes is the stock index report live stream that you can see. What that is live right on your computer. You don't need a special platform, of the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Russell. I'll show you that in a moment. Our stock index report, which we put out every day, the snapshot, the SIR, you'll get that every single day. You'll get our weekly stock index report, our weekly ETF review, Slimulator momentum tracker, which is for position traders and investors, over 1,000 different stocks that you could look at, ETFs, with our algorithms built into it. With momentum conditions, you're going to see fantastic stuff in there. Just amazing. You'll get our complete library, 600 plus videos in 9 categories that I've done, teaching all kinds of aspects and showing all kinds of analysis in the stock market, and our new trader workbench for trade planning. Absolutely amazing. What's more amazing, you'll get all of that for $22.50 the first month. There are even bigger discounts if you take quarterly discounts. How can you possibly pass this, especially if you're an active trader? Just go to askSlim.com, top of the main page. You'll see the special link there, and you'll be able to sign up for the 1 month or for the quarterly. Or if you have questions about that or have an issue with that link, then write to Matt at askSlim.com. Let me show you just some examples of what is in here. Just absolutely mind-boggling. This is the SIR live stream. Now, this was from the 24th. This was from Wednesday, the 24th. And this is for our intraday charts, really for short-term trading. These are 15-minute charts of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Russell. What it has on here is what we call our reversal scout. This helps you with your directional decisions. And when it turns up, which it did the day before, you generally get upside moves. You're going to get our resistance levels right in here, and you're going to get our, these are called acceleration zones, the yellow ones. The probability when they enter the acceleration zone that they will continue is extremely high. You can get the numbers from that if you want. And once it gets in there, you can see it just explodes through. This is how you catch the big trades. And sometimes when it dips right into the support, as you could see right there and right there. Just absolutely great. And you can also see which are the strongest and weakest of these indexes, which was really clear as the NASDAQ was the weakest and the Russell was the strongest. And you could see that. It's incredible. That is what you saw on the up day on Wednesday. How about the down day on Thursday? Let's take a look right over here. And yes, what happened was you got this early downturn here in the reversal scout, and it went down all day long through all of those zones right over there. Just absolutely incredible. Through the acceleration zones where you catch the biggest trades, and then got into this area, but it was late in the day and couldn't even turn around, as you can see that. So just fantastic information here. How about what's going on today? Let's put it up live right now for you to see. Here you go. This is now live on my screen. And we started out the day choppy, moving down, but then when the reversal scout turned up, you can see what happened, and it came up right to resistance, and you're getting some resistance right over there. You get the NASDAQ moving up through those acceleration zones. Beautiful. Hits the resistance. Now pulling down. But you could see what's going on. What's the weakest index right now? Clearly the Russell. So if you wanted to be doing a pair trade, well, you would probably be buying NASDAQ today and shorting Russell. If you wanted to just buy and you didn't know which one, well, you could see which is the strongest one in here today, which is the NASDAQ. Just absolutely fantastic. In resistance right now, failing from resistance, getting through the acceleration zones, hitting resistance and backing off. If you're a short-term trader, I mean, this is just unbelievably fantastic information when you look at that. So that is a look at the live SIR live stream, and you can have this right on your charts. Just absolutely fantastic, amazing. Here is the library. 3 new videos every week, 9 categories, over 600 videos. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read it, but just incredible things. You could see trader psychology. Got lots of great things in there about how you can deal with personal issues that may be getting in your way of success. So just unbelievable stuff, including Future Speak, which we do every Wednesday, our certainly most popular member video. That's what's included. This is the only until March 14th. So this is essentially about 2.5 weeks. The final opportunity at this price for all of these great things that you're going to get. You saw that, $22.50 for a 1-month trial, quarterly discounts, bigger discounts. Go to askSlim.com, top of that main page, and you can sign up right there, or questions right to Matt at askSlim.